This video will introduce you to the paintbrush tool and the eraser tool. So let's get started. What's great about the brush tool, which is just located here, is if you're wanting a little bit more of a free-flowing design and you really want to get that randomness of you controlling the mouse, then the brush tool might just be for you. So as I said, the brush tool is located over here, and you can change the size of the brush and the type of brush in here. So size and then type, depending on what you want. So this is kind of cool, like look at that. Now the color will be the top swatch. So let's say that we do want to keep it black just for argument's sake, and then I want to have, they look a little bit like fireworks. Okay, so that's just me clicking down on it. Alternatively, I might go something like that, which kind of gives a bit of a cool effect. But as you can see, it's really just what I'm doing with the mouse that's coming up on the layer. So I'm on this layer here. That's why it's going behind the puppy. Realistically, I would suggest that you create a new layer. So brush. Why are you not working for me? Why has my keyboard stopped working? Don't know what was going on there. Well, for the purpose of just moving things along, I won't stress about it. So let's say I want to change the brush tool, and we'll get a more sharper edge, and then I want to go like that. Now the beauty of having that new layer is I can go, oh no, I don't like it, so I want to make it invisible, or I'm not sure, or I definitely don't like it, and then I just press the delete button and it's gone. Gone. So there is that. In addition, you might want to use the eraser tool, which can be fun. Now this might come in handy, especially as we sort of spoke about with the lasso tools not getting a perfect edge around the puppy. So you might choose to come in with the eraser tool to really focus on that. So again, you can change the size up here. It's still terribly large. And you can start playing with the eraser tool there if you like and you're more comfortable with that. So that allows, in that regard, essentially the eraser tool will erase anything on that layer, which means that anything that's behind it will come through. So say I then kind of decide to erase this part of my puppy, you'll see that the black, well, it looks more like brown to be fair, will come through because it's underneath the puppy layer. Okay, where if I click on this one and then start erasing, it's going to go back to white because it's just on top of the background. So that's the basic brush and eraser tool. They are very useful, but probably not for you if you do not feel as confident with controlling your mouse. If that's something you struggle with, then you probably work more so with the actual selection tools, like these marquee ones. And so if you were wanting to erase something in a perfect square, for example, you would, on your layer, select it, and then you'd literally just press the delete key and then it will get rid of it. So there are a couple of different ways for you to add color or delete elements from your design.